Looking for your next island getaway? The Philippines and Indonesia are two tropical giants in Southeast Asia. Both are blessed with turquoise waters, fiery volcanoes, and rich cultures. But which one deserves a spot on your bucket list? We're back with another episode in our series where we compare two sensational travel destinations. Let's get down to it and compare Philippines and Indonesia on everything from beaches to budgets and help you find your perfect island paradise. The Philippines? A dreamy archipelago of over 7,000 islands. Picture white sand in El Nido and coral-rich waters in Coron. But surf vibes in Indonesia? They're bigger. With more than 17,000 islands, Indonesia serves up everything from Bali's party beaches to Komodo's pink sands and Amed's black volcanic shores. So who wins? The Philippines takes the crown for pristine, postcard-perfect beaches, but for variety and surf culture, Indonesia steals the show. Craving adventure? In the Philippines, dive deep into Tubataha Reef, leap off cliffs in Siquijor, or hike to the majestic Mayon volcano. Indonesia offers more land thrills. You can trek up Mount Bromo at sunrise, chase blue fire at Ijen, or explore wild jungles in Sumatra. Verdict? Indonesia rules on land. But if your heart lies underwater, the Philippines delivers magic. In the Philippines, flavors blend Spanish, American, and local traditions. Feast on adobo, crispy lechon, and sweet halo-halo. Plus, English is widely spoken, making it traveler-friendly. Indonesia is a sensory explosion. Spicy sambals, creamy rendang, sizzling satay, and nasi goreng will sizzle your taste buds. Add in Bali's temples or Java's royal cities for a culture trip like no other. Verdict? Indonesia offers deeper cultural immersion. The Philippines wins on unique flavors, accessibility, and friendliness. Both countries are wallet-friendly. In the Philippines, hopping between islands often means domestic flights, which can slow you down. But the views? Totally worth it. Indonesia, especially Java and Bali, offers smoother overland travel, with budget buses, trains, and ferries connecting key spots. So if you're after ease of travel, Indonesia has the edge. For slow travel and hidden gems, Philippines it is. The Philippines is laid back. Think beach-hopping couples, solo travelers chasing sunsets, and peaceful island towns. Indonesia has more structure, which is great for digital nomads in Bali, culture lovers in Java, and thrill seekers across the archipelago. Verdict? Choose the Philippines for serenity and seclusion. Choose Indonesia for diversity, community, and contrast. At the end of the day, both destinations promise unforgettable memories. Want calm seas, white sand, and chilled-out island life? The Philippines is calling. More into surfing, ceremonies, and cultural immersion? Indonesia's waiting for you. So, where would you go first? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips, destination guides, and globe-trotting inspiration.